Beautiful well-appointed first-floor condo in desirable Chautauqua Estates. This 2-bedroom end unit offers open floor plan, kitchen with spacious island and granite counters ideal for entertaining. Living room with wood-burning fireplace overlooks a lovely views of the lake. Walk out onto a spacious patio and enjoy sunsets with beautiful vistas of the lake and golf course. New kitchen appliances, newer windows, newer sliding glass doors and newer flooring. Take advantage of the heated swimming pool, tennis court and pickleball. Enjoy boating in the summer and winter, snowmobiling and or skiing in the winter. Comes mostly furnished.